In this review, I'm going to break down what the Insta360 X6 actually gets right and where it falls short after real-world testing. On paper, it promises higher resolution 360 video, better stabilization, and improved low-light performance. But in reality, it delivers in some areas, and still struggles in others. Before we get into it, if you want to generate smooth and clean captions like these, check the link in the description. Now, let's talk about the biggest strength of the X6. Flexibility. Shooting in 360 means you don't have to worry about framing your shot perfectly. You capture everything around you and then decide later how you want the final shot to look. For action, travel, and content creation, that's a huge advantage. You can reframe, track subjects, and create multiple angles from a single clip. Stabilization is another strong point. The footage comes out impressively smooth, even when you're moving. Whether you're walking, biking, or shooting handheld, it stays stable without needing extra gear. That makes it incredibly convenient for everyday shooting. Now, let's talk about image quality, because this is where things get a bit more balanced. For a 360 camera, the quality is good. But once you reframe that footage into a standard view, it's still not as sharp as what you'd get from a dedicated action camera. That's the trade-off with 360. You gain flexibility, but you lose some detail. Low-light performance has improved compared to older models, but it's still not amazing. In darker environments, you'll start to see noise and a noticeable drop in detail. Now, the downsides. Editing takes more effort. Unlike a regular camera where you just cut and export, here you have to reframe your clips and process the footage, which adds extra time to your workflow. Battery life is decent, but not outstanding, especially if you're shooting at higher resolutions. So, what's the final verdict? The Insta360 X6 is all about flexibility, not pure image quality. If you love the idea of capturing everything and deciding your shots later, it's a powerful and creative tool. But if your priority is maximum sharpness, simplicity, and quick workflows, a traditional action camera might still be the better choice. At the end of the day, it only really makes sense if you're going to use those 360 features. Otherwise, you're trading convenience and image quality for flexibility you might not even need. So the real question is, do you actually need 360, or do you just like the idea of it?